Recently, I had the opportunity to help a friend of mine with a project they're doing. Years ago, I helped him mount this on the wall of his old place, and now he's got the perfect spot in his new place, and he gave me a call, and of course I'm going to help him out. It is a vintage Ringling Brothers Barnum and Bailey Circus Billboard. It's big. I don't remember the exact measurements, but you'll see. It's printed in 4 quadrants, and it was originally pasted up onto a wall or sign or something. But way back when it was taken down, it was saved and re-glued to some canvas, and it's survived all the way till now. It's in great condition, and he's really happy to have it. It's flattering when someone I know trusts me enough to help him with something delicate and special like this is to him. Started out, we had to take some measurements, figure out what was level and what appeared level and straight against the other challenges and difficulties of making an old billboard look perfectly square. So we get the area cleared out, we moved the monkey. Some of the issues with hanging this is that the 4 quadrants that the artwork is printed on don't all line up perfectly from where it was originally put together. It's not perfectly straight and square. The other issue is that the wall where we're putting it has a ledge up above, and that ledge has been repaired at some point, and it's not perfectly straight or square. Some of this we dealt with the first time we installed this at his old place, when we had to decide where exactly the trim was going to go to make it appear straight and square. I thought that we would just take it up by the corners on separate ladders, and it was actually his suggestion that we keep it rolled, hang it in the middle first, and then work it out to each side to avoid potential damage to it, because it's kind of tough, but at the same time it is old and still a little fragile. To fix the material to the wall, we used thumbtacks, and we put them all in the original holes from before and that were original around the edge, and they will eventually get covered up by the trim. A lot of getting this straight is just eyeballed, because the room and the wall isn't necessarily straight or square, and the poster itself isn't straight or square. So it's a matter of getting it just enough to where everything looks good. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. I had a really great afternoon doing that. Whether you're a circus collector or just signs in general or old vintage things, it was a pretty cool piece, and I'm glad I got to be a part of hanging it up there. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.